Good morning, Paul Georgie from Allendale. It's October 2nd, Wednesday morning, and the government is still shut down, and China is on holiday for the next few days, all the way through Monday of next week. The other news that we've got going here this morning is there has been some export sales reported out of Europe that South Korea has bought 63,000 tons of Black Sea corn for one faction, and another group there bought 52,000 tons of South Korean corn, or Black Sea corn here overnight. Other news, Informa is going to release their estimates for the upcoming USDA report that's due to be released next Thursday on the 11th. They should come out with their numbers later this week. We've also got Stats Canada that will be releasing their numbers on Friday morning of their wheat production. That's going to be monitored very closely by trade. News out of South America. Brazil is still having some wet weather there, struggling to get their wheat harvested and to have quality wheat. So they're looking around to buy wheat. Rumors have it that they're in the U.S. here looking for some hard red winter wheat, and that is supporting that Kansas City wheat contract. The Argentina situation continues to support wheat prices as wheat supplies there are very tight. The weather conditions have slowed the harvest, and because of it being extremely dry, the concern is that the wheat crop there will not be as productive as earlier expected, and the demand that Brazil is putting on the Argentina wheat is providing premium, and the government there is considering shutting off exports to Brazil. It's being talked about. So those are factors that are providing some support for the wheat market here as we go forward. Other news, basis continues to chop around. Not much change yesterday. We are hearing that there was a pickup in farmers selling of soybeans off the combine here yesterday. So not a lot, but getting some movement from producers. Corn harvest continues to move along. Yields are continuing to be a surprise for producers, anywhere from 20 to 40 bushel an acre more here in the eastern half of the Corn Belt. Western Corn Belt, there's more variation in yields. Some are getting good yields, some are disappointed. Soybeans, however, in the west are actually better than what was earlier thought due to that dry August-September time frame. So a lot of still very good yield numbers coming in. The weather forecast for this weekend's got some snow in the forecast for the Dakotas, and some frost potential there Sunday morning. We'll be watching that and monitoring that very closely, but from what producers are telling us up in that area, in the North Dakota area, that frost probably isn't going to cause much of a damage. A heavy snow certainly could, as it could cause lodging in the corn. In the livestock trade, Smithfield announced yesterday they're going to continue to buy hogs based on September 30th pricing, and then we'll reassess here after October 4th to see where prices are and make some adjustments if needed. Then the CME made a statement yesterday that they are concerned about the settlement prices that are used for the lean hog index and the feeder index, as those contracts get close to expiration. So there may be some adjustments there. They may have to find a new way to figure out that settlement price as they go into the expiration there, where the The lean hogs will expire beginning of, well, we've got about 12 days left on that contract. The CME feeder index yesterday was up 29 cents at 159.92. The markets this morning getting some recovery in the grains as this market is bouncing off of some oversold conditions, and livestock markets are very quiet with the lack of news and reports from the USDA. Makes it much more difficult to get this market excited and move in one direction or the other. Traders have pulled back some of their positions and sitting quietly waiting for some headline news out of Washington to suggest that this shutdown is over. So we'll be monitoring that as well. Stay in touch with Allendale's research. We'll be happy to answer any questions that you might have. Just give us a call and at 800-262-7538. We wish everybody a very successful trading day, and I'll talk to you tomorrow morning. Thank you.